don't know if I'm going to use all the flowers on this table. This is going to be a fall harvest centerpiece, but I'm just giving you an idea of what I have and how I'm going to put it together. Because I don't like messing up any of my florals, I like to reuse them as many times as I can. This is just a, believe it or not, a glass from Dollar Tree that I bought a while back. All the plants you see on this table, none of them are new. They've all been used in prior posts, and now I'm going to make a new one. And this here just have some beads and stuff, glass, to help support the stems of these flowers and leaves and accessories that I have in here. The only thing that is new is this placemat, and I did pay $10 at Home Goods for that, and I bought 2 of them, and this is one of 2. I'm going to use it to put under my centerpiece. I don't know if I'm going to leave it like this. This is just a starting point. I'm going to mess around with it a little bit and see how I want to use these pieces. And so anyway, I'm going to start with this so far, and we'll see what else I do. Okay, I have 3 of these. They're the same thing, except this one here, the ends, both ends are the same, and the one in the center is variegated, and just to give a little more contrast to what I'm putting it together. And so I'm just getting a starting point. Okay, as you saw, I used these 3 in the beginning. I got one that needs to be moved over a little bit. It got shifted when I used the other things. And then I use these in the back. And I may still put something down here, so that way if someone is sitting or moving around the room, all 4 sides will be finished. The more I'm looking at it, I think that's what I'm going to end up doing eventually. But let's go back to the front and see what I have and what I can use. It's looking better already, don't you think? I'm pretty happy how it's looking, but we're going to add a little more color and move a few things around. I changed my mind about using the new placemat. It just wasn't coming out that good on the video. So I used one I already had along with the doily to give more contrast with the tablecloth. I thought it looked better. What do you think? I was really happy with it, and I think it turned out just fine. And I thought it went really well with the colors of the tablecloth and the flowers. Well, I'm finally all done with my Harvest centerpiece. Hope you enjoyed what I put together. I took this apart several times, and I couldn't make up my mind how I wanted it to look. I think I'm pretty happy how it looks now. As you can tell, I tried to make it where I have one of these on each side. This one here was in the center, and the solid orange ones were on each side. And then I had my different sunflowers in the center. Now I had a pumpkin on this side, and I had a pumpkin on this side to try to keep it balanced. I hope you enjoyed how it turned out. I thought it was looking pretty good, and it turned out pretty good. There was quite a few plants I didn't use that I had on the table, but I think what I have really looks fine, and I think any more would maybe look too cluttered. And then I did throw some beautiful florals on underneath it also, and put some more leaves with the fall colors to match the tablecloth that's full of fall leaves also. I thought it turned out really, really pretty. Let me know what you thought, if you were happy with it, or if you thought maybe I should have done it a little bit differently. Well, hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Thank you for all your love and support. We always love hearing from you. Be sure to come back again later. I'm sure we'll have something tomorrow up. Every day, Grandma has something usually up on her channel. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Take care, my dear friends.